Welcome to Food and Entertaining with Tracy Hatchett. I'm Tracy, and I have some exciting news I want to share with you guys. On this channel, we're going to start doing a series that focuses on cocktails for entertaining. It may be a cocktail of the week, cocktail of the month, it might even be a seasonal cocktail. So to kick this series off, today we're going to focus on a seasonal cocktail, which is a fall-inspired Fireball Sangria. So all of the ingredients, it's pretty simple. Sangrias are very simple to make. So the ingredients include apple juice, cinnamon whiskey, oh yeah, a 750 milliliter bottle of red wine, 2 oranges, an apple, and apple cider. So stay tuned and we're going to show you how to mix this drink up and get it started. We have our pitcher, which you're going to need for the drink. We have our chopped apples that we'll put in first. You want to put all your fruit in first. This is a Granny Smith apple, by the way. And then we're going to put in our 2 chopped oranges, which is quite a bit of orange, but it's going to make the drink so citrusy and good. So get all the oranges in. And then after we get the oranges in, we will then get our liquids incorporated. And with that, we'll start off with a 1/3 cup of the cinnamon whiskey, which again makes it the Fireball, the feature part of the drink. We have 3/4 cup of apple juice that we're going to pour in as well. And then we're just going to put in a splash, about a tablespoon of the apple cider. Just a tablespoon. And then comes the wine. We're going to pour in our red wine. And there's no specific type of red wine that you use I use anyway, for a sangria. This happens to be a Cabernet, which is one of my favorites, but you can really use any type of fruitful red wine. And there you have it. This is your Fireball Sangria. One thing I should note and share with you is that you should plan to refrigerate your sangria for 2 to 3 hours to let all the juices combine and soak in for it to be very flavorful when you're ready to drink. So I'll be back shortly. After it's been refrigerated for a couple of hours, we've got all the fruit and juices all combined. I do hope you guys try this. It's a really good fall-inspired drink, great for entertaining. So cheers, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. And also drink responsibly. Thanks so much. Talk to you soon. Bye.